So it's now Sunday, and tomorrow I have an appointment in Trova. It's a little farther than Porto, about 29 kilometers, and they will mount the airlock. But first I will clean my van a little, because the last adventure, the dirt. So I'm in Trova now. This must be the location. This is the street, but that's not good. The wrong number. And I called him, and he answered my call, and he told me it must be a little farther. The appointment with him is that we meet here tomorrow at 8:30. The web shop looks good, and in his talking also, in his conversations, he is knowing where he talks about. So I think they have the skills to do that. And okay, much cheaper than in Germany. Of course. So I will stay here tonight. School is starting here. That's the school. All children coming in. All the children were brought with a car. Unbelievable. In my time I did it on the bicycle or by feet. Even I was a very small guy. 6-7 years I walked every day to school about 2.5 kilometers and back. And yeah, also for lunch I came back. And later it was much farther to the high school, but I did it on a bicycle. Good morning. Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I slept very well tonight, so
Okay.
sometimes when the car was passing by, it's loud, but,
Yes.
but in the night it was very quiet. Hey,
No.
class.
He's doing the job
Yeah,
in the car.
you alone.
Eu não falo inglês. He doesn't speak English, so...
You don't speak English? Okay, nice. I make vlogs, you will see that.
Yeah, I don't.
Ah, look at that. Oh, wow. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a good one. I like it. Okay, it looks good. Show me what you ordered. My God.
From zero
Yeah.
to...
You make here.
He makes.
Wow, he makes.
He's crazy.
Wow, he's crazy. No, I'm crazy, Klaas. Yeah.
So it's,
He makes it from zero to
yeah.
whole car. And this is the frame from what car?
109.
109 what?
Land Rover 109.
Land Rover. Ah, I like it. And that's that's the engine.
So we should be able to fit your airlocker. We hope so.
Yeah, you are able. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, confident in that now. Thank you very much for explaining that. Yeah.
Now
That's the compressor. That's the medium one,
that's the
huh?
medium one. Yeah. Now this is the time that we should choose a place for the compressor.
Okay, that's good.
So that's the hose.
Those, yeah.
Yeah.
And
This
that's
is 7 meters. What is part of?
that's for the locker.
Yeah, it's for the.
It's on the side, huh?
I keep telling
Tirar
you.
folga do
Oh, this one. That one, and I like to see that. Ah, yeah, yeah. Wow, now I understand. Take care, take care. No, that's not enough. It's more. That was more the important thing. Yeah. Locker. Shall I put it here?
Yes.
And what's that?
That's it, the airlock.
Eh? That's the airlock. I never saw that. Wow, that's heavy. Oh, that's the airlock. I'm curious. I'm like a child when I see this kind of things. That's the airlock. And how does it work? How does it work?
I will take a picture.
Oh.
So, this will go in here,
Yeah.
like this, and then the pinion will hit here and it goes to the transmission.
Aha. Ah, yeah. Okay, it's in already, but you have to change it all.
There is one there,
Yeah.
and normally on the cars we use the same ring and pinion, or sometimes we can change it for less pieces, so it's more reductive. But not on this car. We will keep the same.
Yeah.
Because they have to be the same in front and rear.
Yeah.
So the problem is that in the OE, the ring is welded in the differential.
Ah,
So
that's
we
normal.
have to take everything out. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Looks good. Yeah, you think they have the skills here to do that. Of course, it's very important for me because I bring myself always in troubles off road. Thank you. You never know.
We don't have any issue at all.
No?
Until today, we are here since 2006.
No problems at all. No. Wow. Wow. That's the heaven.
We try to show something.
You're very proud on it. I can see that on you. Ah, that's the roof bed. I like it.
That's when
The electric one. Oh. Is this the entrance?
Yeah.
Let me show. I was too late before. When I know what I know now, I would have that on my roof as well. When I get a guest, a visitor, you can sleep as well. What a space! That's much more than my bed.
There is a ventilation.
Wow.
You can put air in or air out.
Yeah.
Beside. There is lights inside also,
Wow.
which you can power here. You can power your phone or whatever you want.
That's very smooth. Wow. And it's electric, you told me. It's also for lazy guys as me. And what is the weight? How many kilos?
This one is 110.
110 kilos.
That one is from VAN&Motorbike, but we also have one from RB Express.
What the cost this kind of thing?
Around 7,000 euros.
7,000 euros. It's also a differential lock here.
Yeah, that's how it works.
how it works.
How it will work.
There's also an airlock.
Yeah, it's an airlock. So this is how when it's open, the differential is open.
Yeah.
Which means that when a wheel goes out of the floor,
Yeah.
goes up,
Yeah.
the differential effect puts all the power on the wheel that it's on the air.
Yeah, I know.
And
Yeah.
that's how it works. And
Yeah.
we need it on the other one. So when we switch on the compressor,
Yeah.
and when we lock it, this will go to the front and will lock all the systems.
That's the way.
And it's locked.
Ah.
So why we should do this with the car stop it? Because sometimes it doesn't get in immediately
And
on
then
the gear.
Then you're damaged.
It's not, you don't damage,
No,
okay?
no.
Don't worry,
No.
but do all this always with the wheel stop it, okay? Car stop it and you lock the airlocker.
Okay.
The guys from the races, they do this at 100 kilometers per hour when they are switching on and switching off. So you stop the car, you lock, and then when you start again, it's like this.
Waba.
Now it's 100%. Okay.
Now it's much deeper, I see.
Yeah.
First it was on the edge, and
Yes.
now it's much farther.
When you don't need it anymore,
Further.
you just switch it off, and then it's open again.
Ah, you switch it off then. No, again?
Again? Yeah, sometimes it's not always, because there is a small tank on the compressor,
Yeah, yeah.
and also the air on the hoses.
That's the medium, eh?
That's a small one.
Yeah.
This is the small one. This is only for the air locker.
Aha.
It's not good enough for tires. So, done.
Nice, nice,
how it is.
nice to see that. I like that.
This is exactly what you will have. No, there is some evolution.
Yeah, of course.
There is not anymore these springs. You see these springs?
Yeah. Makes me so happy.
And then we have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, very well. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Wheels, light, and over.
Is that you, Land Rover? Awesome. Wow, looks good.
Tank, big tank.
Tank?
Yeah, for a fuel tank to switch on the cars.
Oh,
We take out the
but not for that one.
No, this is for a Ford tractor.
That's a very big car. Then. How many liter? 140. Oh. Nice. Roof, bed.
Yeah, this is.
It's a little difficult to find my hotel. And strange. Just here before, a gardener told me something, and it must on this road and a little straight ahead. So I will try again. Yeah, it's here. Okay. That's good. Finally. So that was good. Nice lady, but doesn't speak English at all. So, but she is nice. And I can enter in my room now at 3 o'clock. But my plan is to go to Porto, so I think it will be later. So I was already in the room and put my stuff in it. Looks very good. And I told her that I will stay 2 nights instead 1. It's good, because gives rest for me as well. Instead searching something cheaper. This is 45 euro 1 night. It's not expensive. So exploring Porto. Nice. Wow. Sweet chestnuts. Unfortunately, I forgot my drone. Okay, it was very nice to be here. It's nice. Porto. So let me show you my room. How can I open that? Not okay. There's my motorbike. Nice view on it. Television, I will not use that. Bathroom. Ooh, look at the shower. So I will try that. Nice. So I think this is the end of the video from this day. It was an amazing day. Porto especially. It was great. And also the exciting about the garage. It looked so like a barn, but it was a real workshop and guys with good skills, and that gave me a lot of confidence and appreciate that. So, and Sergio invited me for dinner this evening, so it's unbelievable. So that's great. So if you enjoy this video, thumbs up and consider to subscribe.